Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'll explain how to use the EMA strategy together with support and resistance. The purpose of this video is to help you understand how you can combine these two methods to find better trade entries and improve your trading accuracy. If you want to learn how the EMA strategy works in detail, you can watch our previous video where I explained the complete setup. We use two EMAs, the 25 EMA, which is green, and the 50 EMA, which is red. Now let's get started. First, we'll combine support and resistance with the EMA strategy. As you can see here, the market is in an uptrend, and the price is touching the EMA and taking support from it. Whenever a candle closes above the EMA after taking support, you can place an upside trade in the direction of the trend. If the market is moving in a range, you should use support and resistance along with the EMA. Here you can see that the market is ranging, so you can draw a support level. At the same time, the moving average is also acting as dynamic support. When both the support level and the moving average provide confirmation, you can place a reversal trade with greater confidence. Now you can see that the market has broken below the EMA. In this situation, it's better to wait for a retracement before taking a trade in the continuation direction. I'll make a separate video explaining how to take continuation trades using the EMA strategy. For now, let's move on to another asset and look at a live example. Here you can see a support level along with the moving average. Notice that the candle is taking support from both the support level and the moving average. In this situation, you can place an upside trade after getting confirmation from the moving average. Try to enter your trade as close as possible to the support level for a better risk-to-reward ratio. As you can see, the candle is taking support exactly from the support level. Let's wait and see where the candle closes. The candle closes above the moving average, and our trade is a win. This is how you can combine support and resistance with the EMA strategy to improve your trading accuracy. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to leave a comment or message us on Telegram. The link is available in the description below. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any topics you'd like me to cover or any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. All the links are available in the description, so be sure to check them out. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.